Now it is there.
Hello and welcome to my brother's Rich Cakes making baking day. And intro section by me. Telling him what to do is him. And bouncing up and down because it's him.
This is a wooden spoon.
Now,
I don't know why.
we are making. Do you have a picture of it? These scrumptious, and not that I ever had taste them because I wouldn't want to. What are you talking? Yeah, it cranberry marshmallow and peanut chocolate fridge cake.
I'm gonna measure 200 biscuits but smash them like this.
200 biscuits, but you gotta smash them. 200 into this.
Yeah. And just put it back.
Alright, so have it on table first.
Set digestive biscuits.
Don't you gotta crunch them up? Oh. No, you don't. Even though you said you gotta crunch it up.
We don't have enough.
So commission.
Oh.
Commission. Yeah, more biscuits.
That's 202.
Wait, guys. I'll go with digestive biscuits because
177. 192.
I'm doing it right. I'm a professional.
Right, now I'm going to punch them with this Hulk hammer. Yeah, this Hulk hammer you never use. Stop kicking me.
No, Ryan, you're supposed to put them in here, then crunch them.
I know.
This nugget don't work. What's on that one, the nugget?
So, if you see this, look.
Ryan!
Yeah.
Oh, I thought he was going to put that back.